The coronavirus did not take the holiday weekend off, with the U.S. hitting grim new records. More than 48,000 new cases of COVID-19 reported in just 24 hours. ABC's Rena Roy explains how health experts are now worried things could get worse after celebrations over the July 4th weekend.
As 37 states see an increase in cases, there's now extra concern after many Americans gathered across the country to celebrate Independence Day. Thousands headed to beaches in New Jersey and Delaware. In Diamond Lake, Michigan, hundreds partied without masks or social distancing. Meantime, in New Hampshire, things were busy but spread out.
July 4th weekend, people wanted to get out and enjoy themselves a little bit, and I thought overall the nation did pretty well. But of course, the number of cases continue to rise.
9 states reported record numbers of new cases over the weekend, including Florida, with more than 21,000 new cases Saturday and Sunday.
People are dying. People are getting sick with a disease that we right now are still trying to find out how to even find a cure for it.
Texas, another hotspot, saw record high hospitalizations. In Houston, Texas Medical Center says the ICU capacity is at 98%. Arizona also running out of ICU beds.
We opened way too early in Arizona.
In California, the LA County Health Director says there might not be enough beds for a COVID surge, requesting hospitals implement decompression plans to handle the stress on capacity. But President Trump is still claiming the steady climb in cases is a result of increased testing. This just a day after he addressed thousands of supporters at Mount Rushmore, few wearing masks.
We have tested almost 40 million people. By so doing, we show cases, 99% of which are totally harmless.
But health experts are refuting that claim, including the FDA commissioner.
Any case we don't want to have in this country. Any death, any case is tragic. And we want to do everything we can to prevent that.
The facts on this are really quite clear. The reason we're seeing an increase in cases is because we're seeing an increase in infections, not because we're doing more testing.
President Trump is expected to hold another campaign rally on Saturday in New Hampshire. It will be outdoors and masks will be provided but not required, like his other rallies during the pandemic, where many were seen without face coverings. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.